Alright, the first thing I want you to do is enter this data in your calculator about crying babies and IQs. That data is on your notes sheets there. And this is just a quick review of what we can do. If you need to enter that, just pause the video, enter it, and then turn it back on. Okay, so once you have that data entered, what I want to do is I want to do some regression with this data. So I'm going to go to Statistics, go to Stat Calculations, and go to Linear Regression, A plus BX. Okay. Make sure that your X list you're selecting is your X variable or your explanatory variable, in this case crying. And for your Y list you're going to select the IQ scores. We can save, just make sure you can save your regression equation, and then down here it doesn't really matter what column. I'm going to put mine in column C. Yours probably popped up with C already. Yours might be an F3 here or F2, it doesn't matter. And then just go ahead and hit OK, and we have kind of some of the information that we're going to need. We've got our residuals, R squared, and all the individual residuals are here as well. We'll do some more work with that in a little bit. Okay. The next thing I'd like to do is I'd like to do some graphs from this as well. So let's go ahead and insert data and statistics. And then you're gonna take those bouncing balls, and we're gonna put down here. We're gonna put our X variable, or crying, and over here we're gonna put our Y variable of IQ, and we get our scatter plot. And then of course we want to add our line here. So just go ahead and add your regression line there. So show line A plus BX, and you'll notice that the A and the B here are the same as the A and B values that we have over here when we did it on our spreadsheet. Okay. Now the last thing that I want to do is I want to create a residual plot for that. And for those of you who forgot, residual plot, we're just going to come down here. So we go to Analyze, then go to Residual, and then Show Residual Plot. Okay. And then we'll bring that up right down here. So we're going to do some more work with that on our notes, and then I'll come back, and in the latter part of our notes we'll kind of do some more work with this same data. So please, please, please make sure that you save this data so that we can work with it for the next part.